Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special unboxing to do. You guys can check them out. Link is going to be down below. Hope everyone had a good day so far. Everybody's staying safe. And we'll get through this. We got something special in here to show you guys. All you got to do is click the link down below. Check them out and see what other goodies they have to offer. Besides this item, if I could get it open. There we go. Nice and easy. Alright, guys. Let's see what this is all about. And, there we go. Nice and easy. Alrighty, guys. We got something here to read. This is coming from good old PineTales. Alright. PineTales it is. Ooh. Nice little travel tote. It's like a pillow. Pretty heavy. Let's see how we do this here. Do 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 do. Aha. There we go. Unleash the beast. Alright, beast mode is here. Ooh. I think this is like bamboo style. Oh, they got a zipper. Oh, it is zipper. Oh, here's a zipper. Ooh. This is nice. Fancy dancy. Take this on a plane with you. And if you're on a car road trip and you're the passenger, it's a nice thing to use. PineTales. Let me check on something. Hold on one sec. It's organic buckwheat. Buckwheat. Hey. Designer bamboo. So it's a buckwheat designer bamboo style. Guys can't get this anywhere else. So all you gotta do is click the link down below. This would be a nice housewarming gift. Gift to yourself, birthdays, you name it. It's really soft. I like the style, for sure. Definitely a heavy one. But I don't know if I could see what's inside, I guess. Oh. Look at this. I think this is where all the stuff's at. I'm not going to remove it. I'm going to keep that in there. So there's like there, just shove it back in there. Zip it back up. It's super comfy. Print it around your neck. Take a nap with it. Leave it on your couch, on your chair. My chair's not that long. It feels really good on your neck. Really good. Yep, I'm ready to take a nap. You guys can get one too at a low cost. Get one of these before they sell out. Look at this thing now. Really nice, guys. So thank you guys so much at PineTales for sending me one of these pillows to show the YouTubers what they could get at a low cost. Check them out. Fast free shipping. Cool. So that is it. You guys have a good one. Be safe. And I hopefully see you guys back pretty soon. Till then, see you guys later.